Welcome back. One thing you should know before you move on to create our very first design would be this panel. I'll be picking two and explaining in this tutorial, since we'll be using them in about 2 to 3 videos following this video. So the first would be material. This allows you to apply colors, textures, whatnot to the object. And first of all, to be able to see the colors applying, you would have to be in this view, the last one right here. That's the rendered view. There are other views here, wireframe view, which would allow you to see your object in this form. So back to rendered view. So to apply a color, just simply create a new material, and base color, you could just change your base color to blue, red, any color you might feel like. And once you have so many materials, feel free to change naming. So this could be square, just square materials, something. Yeah, the next thing was modifiers. Modifiers allow you to add in it gives you an extra hand in manipulating the object. It'll be better to just explain. Modifiers give you like an extra hand in the manipulating object. To explain that, I would grab this already made object I have hiding here. So this sort of looks like a weird looking bowl. We can employ modifiers to give it a better look. The first modifier we'll be looking at here would be solidify, which sort of adds in thickness. Let me zoom in right there. Adds in thickness. So once you increase and decrease, you see that, and you can apply it right here. The next one would be bevel, which sort of smooths out. You could see the top edges smoothing out. You could increase and decrease to an amount you want. I won't advise going too high. And the final modifier we'll be looking at is subdivision surface. This is more like a very dangerous and very helpful modifier. I won't advise you to use it a lot if your graphics are down, especially when you have huge objects. It's a really small object, so it doesn't really make any changes. So you sort of smooth out the object. You could increase the viewport to see how it smoothens out, and then once it's up to 0, you could see it's very low poly, and the more you increase it, the more smoothness you see right there.